Oh,
Doing well. How
Oh,
are
no.
you? I'm good.
Teacher comes in the middle of the night.
All right. Do I have everybody?
Yep. I
Maybe.
think.
Not yet.
Oh, wait.
Well,
We need
no,
Lily.
we're missing someone.
Was Lily in your first
Lily.
two classes this morning?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's probably just getting
Yeah.
her stuff.
Yeah.
All right. Good. Maybe she's
She
on her
was-
way then. Okay. We're gonna check our homework first, so you can open up your book. We could get ready. Page 554. I think we were doing some chapter review, back to some of the things that you learned before.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you guys have 4 hours of homework again
No.
last night?
No, it was better.
Good.
Yeah.
You helped us out a lot. I appreciate that.
Well, I just cut off a few of them, but
Yeah.
hopefully you still had a good number to practice.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, we'll just go ahead and get started. And I am recording it, so if Lily needs to, like, if she jumps in later, or if any of you guys are ever late and you need to, like, check over the first couple solutions you might have missed, you can go to my YouTube channel. My kids think it's really funny, like I'm a YouTuber now. I have a YouTube channel. All my classes are on there, so you guys can always go back.
You should have like Mrs. Palmer vlogs.
Yeah. Be like, yo, it's Palmer here with another video.
If our geometry class is so much fun, you can watch it again later. Okay. So we're on page 554, right? We skipped over the dilation. So we're starting at number 12. Determine if the pair is similar. If so, write a similarity statement and scale factor. If not, explain your reasoning. Okay. So number 12. Are these similar? Colby, you're first in my list today.
I said no
Okay. Why not?
because
Lily.
you're not. I don't know how to say it now.
Corresponding
because when you
sides.
cross multiply, they're not the same number.
Okay. So that means corresponding sides are not in proportion. Yeah. Six goes with 16, and 6 goes with 16, and then 4 goes with 10, and 4 goes with 10. If you compare 6 16ths and 4 tenths, they're not in proportion. No. That's a no. Yep. And the polygons are not similar because corresponding sides are not proportional. All right, number 14, if the dimensions of a photo are 2 inches by 3 inches and the poster dimensions are 8 by 12, are the photo and the poster similar? Explain. Grace, what did you say for that?
I said, yes, they are. Because,
Because what? Because what?
because like when you simplify them, they are.
Yeah, the ratios are the same.
Yeah.
I wonder if Dad's getting something, but Walker, I'm in the middle of class. Walker, it's Dad, but he's not coming in. That was really mean. Okay, sorry guys, I'm back. Yes, the ratios are the same for number 14. Okay, moving on to number 16, I guess. Determine whether the triangles are similar. If so, write a similarity statement. So we're on number 16, and I have Brian next. And you're muted, Brian.
It's your dog.
Hello, Brian. Yeah, my dog is going crazy because my husband just pulled into the garage, but he's leaving, really. He's not coming in, so it's mean because my dog thinks he's coming in. Okay. Brian, are you with me? Brian?
Wait, let me look at his picture. He might be.
Looks like a cat.
Yeah.
If you
his
click
first
on it,
cam's off.
then you
He
can
must be
see
doing
him.
Something.
Is he not there?
I don't think
Maybe.
so.
Okay. Then Aristotle, I have you next.
I said yes.
Mhm.
Because of the angle similarity postulate.
Excellent. Yep, exactly. Angle, because we have parallel lines. So opposite interior angles are congruent, and then we have vertical angles. So angle. Okay. Number 18. Determine if these triangles are similar. If so, write a similarity statement. Luke.
I said that they are not proportionate.
Okay, so you said no, they're not similar because they're not in proportion.
Yeah.
Well, let's take a look. Determine if they are similar. If so, because for number 18, my book is telling me triangle ABE is similar to triangle ADC by side, angle, side. God bless you. All right, so that would be like 5/14.
And 7/10.
7/10, which is not in proportion.
Yeah.
But I think I see what they're doing. It's 5/10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then.
And it's 7/14.
Yeah.
And it's half.
Oh yes. This
It's
and because the similar triangles are ABE and then ADC going the opposite way. All right, so it's not ABE is similar to ACD. It's ABE is similar to ADC. So yes, 5/10 is equal to 7/14. Okay. So they did a little bit of a tricky one right there. Okay. Let's just look at 19, even though you guys didn't do that one, because 18 was a little bit tricky. So let's look at number 19 and see if they can trick us for that one. They're not telling us anything about angles. So the only thing we could use here would be side, side, side. So we have to see if we have sides in proportion.
Yeah, they are.
All right, you guys work on that. I'll be right back.
They're proportionate.
Hey, Brian's back.
Brian, where were you?
Okay, Lily, what do you think for number 19? Are the sides in proportion?
Why isn't I didn't find 19? Oh wait, never mind.
Oh, we didn't do it for homework. We're just looking at it now.
Okay, sorry. I didn't find it. Okay, give me a second.
So we're seeing if those sides are in proportion. Right, Lily's working on it. Luke, did you look at it yet?
Yes.
What did you think?
Yes, they are in proportion.
They are, yeah. The sides 4 to 6, 6 to 9, 5 to 7.5. Okay, so those are like 2/3. Okay, so that's a yes. All right, let's go to number 20. This one you should have done, and you have to find X for number 20. Luke, back to Aristotle for number 20.
20
X is
9.6.
or 96. Is it 9.6? Let me look at it. It is 9.6. Yeah. Typo in my book. Yeah, 96 would be a little crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, number 22. It's the one with the streets. Okay, find the distance along Broadway between 37th and 36th. Brian, did you come back to us yet?
Yes.
Oh, great. What do you got for 22, Brian?
275 feet.
Yes. Good job. 275 feet. Oh, wow. That one looks like we could just look at that and do it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's what I did.
Okay. Number 24, find the value of each variable. So we had to find W. Interesting. Okay. Colby, 24.
I have W equals 19.
Correct.
Oh, I said 18.9, but that's
You were close. Okay. Let's just try a couple more practice ones. So let's say we didn't do 23, right? Let's try 23 now. So we're trying to find X. All right, so we'll all just work on that one now. Okay, and that's parts of similar triangles.
got it.
Okay. And wait, I just did Colby, didn't I?
Yeah.
Okay, so under Colby's Grace. Grace, did you get this one?
X equals 6.
Yeah.
Yeah.
6 is correct. X equals 6. All right, good work. That's one of the harder ones because you had to do the 13.5 minus X.
Yeah.
All right. Let's try number 21. And I'm on Lily for this one. Are you with me, Lily?
Yep.
Let me pin you. Okay. Okay. X
So,
equals.
X equals 22.5.
Yes, good job. All right, there's a couple ways you could do that one. 22.5 it is. Okay, so today we have a faculty meeting, and the question that, I don't know what the little kids teachers want to talk about, but our question I think would be, what does Mrs. Winters want us to do about assessment? Because we're at the end of a chapter. Some of my other classes, we finished a chapter. In one of them, like with my 4th graders, we finished a chapter. I just started the next one because I'm not sure what she wants us to do about assessment. And, you know, I mean, assessment isn't everything. Testing. I'm more interested that you learn the information and the concepts. But on the other hand, you guys probably still have to take a final this year. So keeping up with testing is good for you. So I'll find that out today. We meet between 1 and 2, and I'll let you guys know what we're going to do about testing. So in the meantime, we could I could just have you work on more of the practice problems. Any of the ones that we didn't do in here, you can do for homework. But I also want to talk to you about your SumDog challenge. I put this in your Google. SumDog's not working great this morning, but some of you are working pretty hard on your SumDog challenge, and some of you haven't started yet.
Brian.
Every grade has a challenge. So if I go to 8th grade and view it, you guys had some of the little kids. I have 200 problems, but I gave you guys 250, and I gave you a week. So that's like 30 point some problems a day. And if you look at, here's you guys. Green is completed.
We can't see your screen.
Oh, sorry. Watch this. Guess who taught me how to share my screen?
Mr.
Thomas.
Thomas.
Mr. Tosek.
No.
Mr.
No,
Hill.
Warner.
now I forget how to do it. Now, oh, it's because I have Lily pinned. Hang on. Cedric. Cedric taught me how to share my screen.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's
So let me know if this works. Okay. SumDog. Can you see?
Nope.
Yeah.
No?
Oh, yeah. Now I can.
Yeah, now I-
Okay. So green is kids who have completed. It says Luke, Grace, and Chiamaka.
Yeah.
Wait,
This is
Wait,
started.
different-
Colby, Aristotle, and Lily. Not started. Dylan, Brian, RJ.
Yep.
Okay.
Plan to do it
So-
tomorrow.
Here's where we're at. So you have 250 questions. Okay, so Luke and Grace and Chiamaka are done. Colby's well on his way. Aristotle's on his way. Lily got started. All right. So I'm not giving you a ton to do tonight, but some of you need to work on that. Hopefully the questions are okay. I really tried to get them to ask you questions about geometry, but like I can't pick specific questions. So I think it depends on the game you play.
Yeah.
Luke, what game did you play that helped you get so many questions correct?
Animals.
Animals.
I love animals.
Animals and junk pile.
I love junk
Like-
pile.
And then
I'm bad at
I played a bit of cannonball.
Okay. All right. So your homework is to pick more questions on the study guide. Just, study this until Mrs. Palmer finds out about assessment.
Which ones
and-
are
Then we'll meet tomorrow and I'll let you know what she said. I'll also be in my office hours from 2 to 3. So if you want to pop in and ask me any questions then, or ask me what she said about assessment, or you want to say hello, I'll be, under Google Meet Palmer if you want to see me.
Mrs. Palmer,
Mm-hmm.
can we do like the practice test after the study guide and review?
Yes.
I was just
We can do that.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Okay. Yeah, Brian. So any problems you choose, you can do. Okay.
Okay.
So whatever you feel like. And under control, then just do your SumDog. Okay.
Okay.
You guys have any questions for me?
No. Nope.
All right. I will let you go. Finish the rest of your day.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
Okay. Have a good day, guys.
You too.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.